Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni page but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai pi baru kini gilonggi khubor bam tagasni. Kementeri ke Sarkar Jelabat MLA ke East Shillong ke Dr. Mazil Ampareen do kelakiar ban Eiei Kren Halor ke Jingkyndang bat penkenria iki Nongdie Madan na Laitumkhrah. Abagi nong thok khubor kelakli ke Halor ke nikamat ke kong Ampareen ke Khlem jubab ne batayela ke jong ke jingmun Halor ke senjam bala shimpersha iki Nongdie Madan. Daga Penteri kami ke hukum jaga Meghalaya High Court ke Shillong Municipal Board SMB ke lapelong ke jingweng bat penkenria iki Nongdie Madan na ki benta baper jong ke Laitumkhrah. Lai jagat hamai ki habarit point badhan giti khnang bakin la ban beteng yala ka kamai jak po Khlem da penthut e ka jingya ki pat ba bat ki kani ha kapor bala pentri kami gane ka jingweng ye ki nong trei ka municipal lasunran lang da ki khot ka dor bar snong Laitumkhrah ka senglong kemi ba ka sang samha snong kani ka senjam kalong ban palat ki linti ya jat penbet dunti e ka Nongdie Madan bat penduna ka jingkhap ngya Laitumkhrah hanrei Kala penmiru ia kajing sungkia Halor ke kamai jakpo bat kajing don jong ki jakadi ki babiang naga benta ki Nongdie Madan. Hai kisnem balalek ke kong Ampareen kala penpau ia kajing Krisyan ban penkria ki Nongdie Madan syaki jaka balamang bat ban penkeladur ia kala Laitumkhrah. Pembalale hakandai lan ndai kan ia kenti ke Khlem ai kanu gunu kajing ia kentho Halor kajing penkria.
This is the process. That's all.
Can you elaborate on the regulation of these hawkers here? What is the status of the municipal?
No. Here too, we have got 86 hawkers. All will be repeated in Dhan Kitty and Brador Banglo. Everything is arranged. Everything has been done. They are obeying. They are complying. They are cooperating with us. That's all.
No.
Thank you.
Are you accepting that the complaint of the hawkers? But it's said only one day. If they say they cannot good selling.
No. This is not about 1 day, 2 days, and all. We have issued already the relocation notice, giving them 1 month time. And today is the day for their relocation.
No, they are accept or not that?
Yeah, they have accepted. All accepted.
Also regarding the hawkers from the jail road, sir, what about the
No, that's a different issue.
Okay, so can you tell us, sir, because
that's a different issue. We'll take action accordingly.